My second time to prepare this delicious chicken curry soup, which is absolutely perfect with rice, and I can confidently say that I can share the recipe with you now because I have gotten so much better at preparing it. And guys, this is absolutely amazing. You can have it for lunch and you can also have it for dinner. Hi, my name is Zidel and you're welcome to my kitchen and to my YouTube channel Zil Cooks, where we only cook good food, eat and love one another. So do consider to hit that subscription button down below, as I promise to bring you amazing recipes that you can try at home with your loved ones. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. So I have my ingredients prepared already. So for this recipe, we are going to need about 500 grams of chicken breast, and it is already clean, sliced into very thin slices like this. The next ingredient is 200 grams of mushrooms, 5 deciliters of cooking cream, 1 large bell peppers already sliced, 2 tablespoons of curry, 1 tablespoon of powdered red bell pepper, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 small leek finely chopped, minced garlic about 3 cloves. I also have some mild fresh cream, which is crème fraiche, and it is the parmesan and the garlic flavor, some black pepper, some salt, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, some butter for the chicken. I am an African, we love it very hot and spicy, so I'm going to add this half chopped habanero pepper for that hotness. It is completely optional, you don't have to add it, it is just my own way to spice up the soup, so you can leave this out. So melt some butter in a hot pan, then add the chicken and let it to cook until it's almost golden brown. So we don't want to over brown the chicken, otherwise it will become so hard and it's not going to be really nice. So we just want to cook the chicken until it is almost golden brown. We are going to go in with some salt and black pepper, just about a pinch of salt. And then you can add a generous amount of black pepper. Just add as much black pepper as you want, depending on your preference. I really love black pepper, so I'm gonna add. Give it a good mix so everything just get into the chicken. Make sure you dry your chicken with a paper towel so to soak most of the water. If not, as we are cooking like this, it's going to release so much water, which is going to take a very long time for it to get dry. It's like it's almost golden brown, so we are just going to let the water dry up for a little while. This is how the chicken is looking like now. It is almost golden brown. It's not completely fried, but it's done. So we are just going to take it out from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add some onion, just saute in the minced garlic. Go in with the leek, just give it a gentle stir and add curry, powdered red bell pepper, add a little water at this stage, we're going to add in the creams, the crème fraiche and the cooking cream. Just gently mix until everything is well combined. We're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we come in with the rest of the ingredients. It is quite thick now, so I think I'm going to add about 1 deciliter of water, because when it gets cold it's going to be even more thicker. So just add a little water to make it light, just a little light. After adding the water, I let it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and this is how it's looking like. This is how the consistency is, and I think it is okay like this. If you want it more watery, you can add more water, but for me it is okay like this. I like this consistency, and it's already looking very creamy. So we are going to add our chicken, and then we'll go in with the mushrooms. And we'll add the bell pepper, the hot pepper. Then we'll just mix that all up together. We'll let it to simmer for another 3 minutes, and then we'll add some salt just to taste, and soy sauce. So after 5 minutes, this is how our soup is looking like. It is not so thick, not so watery. The consistency is just so great, perfect for rice. I like it this way, and it tastes so delicious. We're gonna serve with some rice. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to also leave your subscription down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.